bought from Garage Defend, and you've done a few things to it, but for the most part, it came with the bigger turbos and everything.
What's going on, everybody? All right, so today's the day. We're getting the Nismo lines on. Got the Project New brake pads, PS street version. And then we have the Project Mu front and rear rotors. We're gonna get put on. Also, we're gonna get the calipers powder coated. It's called Alien Silver. And then gonna get the rotors rebuilt as well. So all new hardware, all new parts. So next time you see this, it's gonna be all put together. Boy Gio picking me up. He's gonna take me to the shop so we can ride back together. Shout out to Gio. Turned the car into the shop today to get the brakes done, getting the rotors, or not the rotors, the calipers rebuilt. Buddy Devin just rolling up. Got the new titanium exhaust on there he picked up. He's got the new tires.
Should I park or are we leaving?
No, we're gonna take off right now.
Alright.
Yeah, so buddy Jason just got his car, full car painted white, his Evo 3. So we're gonna go pick that up, meet a couple guys, do a little cruise. So I'll be doing some filming since I won't be driving today. Then we got Gio here with his 34. Buddy Jason just picking up his Evo 3 from paint. We went with the black grills and then the black Evo 3 on the side, looking nice. Super fresh paint. You can literally just smell it from from standing next to it. Super fresh. Looks nice. If you guys seen this before, it was definitely needed a little paint job, a little touch up, but man, it is looking sick. He has the new Evo 3 emblem on there, debadged everything else. Rapinoki's finest out here in Japan. Looking good though. Super impressed with the paint job. Really nice work. Alright guys, can't pass up this other Evo. It's a customer's car sitting here. Probably gonna get some paint work done. Just out here in Japan, man, the rust, as you can see, not just on the brakes, but just on the whole car. Actually, this one's not rusted, but usually the Okinawa rust out here in Japan just eats them up. So a lot of people get their body work and stuff done out here for a pretty good price compared to the US. So the prices are definitely a lot better out here. But just wanted to do a quick walk around for you guys. Didn't want to pass this up. All right, pulling up. Gas station, gonna meet everybody up to go on this cruise. Got Jason in his Evo 3, got a couple of GTRs. Alright, so here pulled up is what we're some of the people coming out today. RX-7's not coming. He's just parked here, but a couple of the cars here. Get some roller shots, get some nice video coverage for you guys.
And I was like letting out. I was, a little fucking buggy completely.
say from Garage Defend?
485.
485?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this car was bought from Garage Defend, and you've done a few things to it, but for the most part it came with the bigger turbos and everything.
Boy Gio hooking it up. Got these vending machines everywhere in Japan. Gonna get maybe the pineapple, guava, one of them. You'll find these on the most random places in the middle of nowhere. I mean, they're literally everywhere. All right, got the pineapple. Amazing. Tastes absolutely great. Super refreshing on this hot day. Probably gonna wrap up the video here, maybe get a couple rollers, but just want to say thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.